Hello, in this short video, I'll talk about sourcing images in order to create diagrams in Quizlet and how to get your learners actively involved in the process. Before we get started, you may want to know that time won't allow me to cover the specifics of how to create diagrams in Quizlet. If you're not familiar with the process, I've included some helpful resources that you can access at the end of this video. Before creating a diagram in Quizlet, you might want to first browse the existing content to see what's already available. If you're not able to find anything that suits your needs, you'll need to create your own diagram. Basically, you can create interactive diagrams by first uploading an image, then using a feature in Quizlet that allows you to remove the text on the original uploaded image and tag the various locations where the text was deleted. You can then link the terms or terms and definitions to the locations in the image that your students need to learn, and Quizlet study activities will allow your learners to study the tagged areas on the diagram. When you create a diagram, you'll get a link to share with your students by email on Google Classroom or via Remind. You can also share the link on your website or learning management system, or create a QR code that links to the content. Again, you'll find more details about the steps involved in creating and sharing diagrams in the resources at the end of this video. Let's move on to talk about some ideas for sourcing material for diagrams. Students can create their own diagrams by hand or on the computer. For example, timelines, drawings of maps, or some other visual aid. Or, depending on the subject matter, the ages, the abilities of your students, and their knowledge of copyright issues, you could assign them the task of sourcing suitable images on the internet. Here are some more ideas. You can take screenshots, for example, to teach specific features that older students need to learn to use software efficiently. This is especially useful if students expect to be tested on their technical skills at some point, either in class, during a job interview, or on the job. You could also upload a portion of text, for example, on a PowerPoint or Google slide, saved as an image, and create a close or fill-in-the-blank exercise, great for vocabulary building. The video listed in the resources demonstrates step-by-step how to create a fill-in-the-blank activity. With a little imagination, you can probably come up with countless other ideas for creating diagrams in Quizlet. For more inspiration, browse through the diagrams already available and take a look at the resources listed here. Thanks for listening.